Hey guys, Steve and Kylie here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Today's review, shoot, and rate is going to be on what gun?
The Sig MPX.
Chambered in 9mm, this barrel length is at 4.5 inches, overall length at 22.5 inches. Trigger weight is right between 5.5 and 9 pounds. Trigger type is a mil-spec trigger. It does have a key mod accessory rail and ambidextrous controls. This gun does come equipped from the factory with a telescoping 3-position SIG brace. The magazine capacity is 30 rounds from the factory.
MSRP on the Sig MPX is going to come in at $2,100, but you probably find it in gun stores around $18,000.
Kylie, what are your thoughts on the MPX? And we don't normally do this, but because the last video that we did a review on happened to be the Scorpion, the Evo, we might even just throw a small little comparison in here. But go ahead and tell me about the MPX first.
I like it. It's going to have all the good qualities that the Scorpion had. Very low recoil. The only thing is just a stabilizing brace. That's the only thing that I'm going to say.
Was it still hard for you to, I know you had an issue on the other, did you have a hard time getting a cheek weld again? Mm-hmm. All right, so that may be just a function of not having shot enough.
Right.
That way. So there's a few observations here. First and foremost, I'm going to say that the pros. I thought it shot better than the previous one that we shot. Mm-hmm. I thought that it was more controllable. It seemed to shoot more accurate, a lot faster for me. Now I have to give credit, we did not shoot this with the factory muzzle brake. If we were to stick this guy on the Evo, it may shoot very similar. So I don't want to give 100% credit to Sig and take it away from the Scorpion. But my initial observation, if that were shipped from the factory that way, I really liked how this shot. It may have been a function of the muzzle brake, but I don't know that for a fact.
Right.
The sight on there also gave this one a slight advantage because the red dot allowed us to have quicker follow-up shots. Right. My big observation was I literally shot this faster than I shot the Scorpion and stayed with better, so that was my group right there. They all just like one on top of another, and literally the dot doesn't move. It just bang, 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 bang. So I was really, really impressed with how it shot. The cons. You struggled with it, I struggled with it, I've struggled with it just on the showroom floor. The magazines do not go in easily. They, in my opinion, if there's a modification that they could make to this gun, they need to make it so that magazine fits in there and snaps in and locks in a lot easier. It was comfortable to shoot. I know another issue we had with the other gun was that the safety dug into your finger, or dug into mine, and it has others as well. I didn't have that issue with this one. All in all, both guns I thought were great, but today we're talking about the MPX made by Sig Sauer. We're gonna have to talk about value to quality.
Okay. I'm probably gonna go with my 4.5, 4 to 4.5.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna go lower than her. Not because I don't think the gun is a good quality gun. I actually enjoyed it more than I enjoyed shooting the Scorpion. But when you stick price in there, man, this is quite a bit more expensive than the Scorpion. So for me, I'm probably gonna give it somewhere around a 3.5, maybe as high as a 4, but I'm really probably closer to that 3.5. I think it's just a little overpriced, but Sig does make expensive products. They do make high quality products, but so does CZ. So you have two top-notch companies, and this one just happens to be a little more expensive. So I'm gonna go with a 3.5 on mine. Kylie, I want to thank somebody. We have a gentleman that was kind enough to lend us both of his firearms. Jay, if you happen to be watching, thank you very much for lending us both your CZ brand new CZ. I don't think he's even fired it yet. So his brand new CZ Scorpion, the new little one, and then also he lent us his MPX. So we wouldn't have been able to do those particular reviews so close back to back had we not had both access to both of them. So thank you, Jay, for helping us out. If those folks want to watch more of our videos, how do they do it?
The bell underneath our screen here will send you notifications whenever we upload new videos. That way you guys don't miss them.
Cue the little bell sound.
Ding.
Yep. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Hey guys, Steve and Kylie here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Today's rate, shoot, and review.
Nope. You said that backwards. You said the entire thing backwards.
So I get the middle one right, that means.
Yes.
Yeah. Good job.
1/3 is not good.
Shoot,
Nope.
Nope. Review.
review, shoot, rate.
Yes.
Got it. All right. Hey guys, review, shoot, rate. All right.
I hear her opening with that. Hey guys, review, shoot, and rate.
Steve, if you're gonna be on your phone, stand on that side.
Oh shit.
Kylie, what are we doing?
Wait on Steve.
Oh, we're going to talk about gun?
We're gonna talk about pew pew.
Woo woo.
Pew pew. Pew pew.
Did you like gun?
Yeah, I like gun.
Was gun fun?
Gun fun.
Gun fun?
But I'm hungry.
I want to go home.
Oh, go home, have food.